Welcome.
Welcome to PLA University. PLA, as you know, serves children's grades K to 12 in 5 states and the District of Columbia. We're blessed to serve nearly 11,000 scholars.
PLA University is a workforce development program that was specifically designed to support our scholars' families so that they can achieve economic strength.
This is a community program, and we care about the communities in which we serve. So anyone over the age of 18 is eligible for the tuition-free PLA University.
There's a high unemployment rate, and companies are finding it harder to find skilled workers. So we want to be able to partner with those local companies to provide the talent that they need. So we did a lot of research into what career tracks we wanted to offer, and we currently offer 5 career tracks in healthcare, information technology, supply chain and logistics, advanced manufacturing, and entrepreneurship.
When we heard of the opportunity to be able to offer these programs at PLA University, we were ecstatic. As a registered nurse in the healthcare field now, I am fully aware of the high demand to have qualified professional healthcare workers. We offer CNA, which is a certified nursing assistant, QMA, which is a qualified medication aid, and medical assistant programs.
Somebody, enters our program with an idea, and then we go through a full ideation, design thinking process, deconstruct the whole idea, put it back together, build a business model around it, and put together a go-to-market strategy.
We, as grandparents, as aunts, as parents, we push our kids all the time. And sometimes we forget to put ourselves first. And PLA University is putting families in a position to be able to also push themselves to the forefront.
They are seeing real change, and the magnitude of the impact and the energy around that is just so contagious.
We're excited that PLA University exists because it will give our families the financial strength. It will strengthen the community. It will show our scholars that through hard work and discipline, perseverance, and strategic effort, you can be what you desire to be.
Choose your path.